I used to think investing was some kind of elite sorcery, like you had to be a math genius or a Wall Street wizard in a $5,000 suit, speaking fluent economist, while juggling spreadsheets and sipping imported espresso. I genuinely believed the stock market was a secret club where only hyper-intelligent people with 3 monitors and 0 emotions could survive. I mean, have you ever looked at a stock chart for the first time? It's like watching a heart monitor during a panic attack. Red lines, green lines, candlesticks, moving averages. Bro, it looked like the Matrix had a migraine. And let's not even talk about the jargon. Dividends, ETFs, options, PE ratios. I thought PE ratio was short for please explain, because that's all I kept thinking. So yeah, I assumed investing wasn't for people like me. Regular people. People who still count on their fingers sometimes. People who use the calculator app for everything, including splitting a bill at a restaurant. I thought investing was reserved for the financial Hokage, the elite ninjas of the economy, the chosen few. But then, I saw something that completely shattered that illusion. It wasn't a YouTube guru or a viral TikTok explaining how to get rich in 30 days. It wasn't even some motivational speech with piano music in the background. It was a boring, quiet fact. The average return of the S&P 500 over the past 50 years is around 10% per year. That's it, 10%. Not a million, not 300, just 10. And the people who consistently made money? They weren't timing the market like stock sniping snipers. They weren't day trading from yachts. They were just normal people putting money in and not touching it. Literally, they'd invest in something like an index fund, set up an automatic deposit every month, and then go live their life, go walk their dog, watch anime, make pancakes. That was their whole strategy. And the crazy part? That strategy worked. Over time, with compound interest doing its quiet magic in the background, they built wealth. No lottery wins, no hustle porn, just patience. That's when it hit me like a Rasengan to the face. Investing isn't about being a genius. It's about being consistent. It's less about IQ and more about EQ, emotional intelligence. The ability to stay calm when the market dips. The discipline to not panic sell when your stocks turn redder than Itachi's Sharingan. The patience to let your money grow while the world freaks out. Because here's the truth. The stock market will go up and down. Sometimes it'll feel like you're winning. Other times, it'll feel like you're watching your wallet get roundhouse kicked by reality. But if you zoom out, like really zoom out, you'll see a slow, upward climb. And if you're still holding on, still investing, still paying yourself first, you're winning. And I know what you're thinking. Yeah, but what if I invest at the wrong time? Or, what if the market crashes the day after I invest? First of all, welcome to the club. Everyone thinks that, even the pros. But guess what? The data shows that time in the market beats timing the market almost every single time. Trying to pick the perfect moment to invest is like trying to catch a falling kunai midair in the dark. Cool if you pull it off, but chances are you're just gonna get stabbed. Meanwhile, the quiet investor who just puts $200 a month into an index fund, they're stacking coins like a silent ninja in the background. And let me tell you, the idea that you need a lot of money to start? Another myth. You can start with $50, heck, $5. You're not investing to get rich tomorrow. You're investing to not be broke forever. Big difference. What you are doing is training your future self to have options, to not be at the mercy of bad bosses, surprise bills, or economic chaos, to be able to say, nah, instead of please. And that starts not with brilliance, but with belief. Belief that small steps add up, that you don't need to be a genius, just someone who actually gets started. If you can binge watch an entire anime season in one weekend, you've got the consistency to build wealth. If you can remember 151 Pokemon but not your cousin's birthday, you've got the memory to stick with a long-term plan. You've already got what it takes. You've just been misled into thinking you need more. So, yeah, I thought investing was for geniuses, until I realized the real secret. The smart ones aren't the loudest or the flashiest. They're the ones quietly building in the background while everyone else waits for the perfect moment. Now, I'm one of them. And you can be too. If this video made investing feel a little less scary, hit subscribe. We're not chasing quick money here. We're building quiet wealth like financial ninjas. Join the clan, one smart move at a time.